Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix or troubleshoot the Get Genuine Office, or you may be a victim of software counterfeiting message that sometimes appears in Microsoft Office. This issue usually happens when Office isn't properly activated or the license verification fails. Before we start, make sure you're using an official version of Microsoft Office from a trusted source. Step 1. Close all Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Step 2. Open this PC, then open local disk C. Step 3. Go to Program Files and find the Microsoft Office folder. Step 4. Open your version folder, for example, Office 16. Step 5. Find the Office tool or repair option. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Step 6. Wait for the repair process to complete. This will recheck your Office installation files. Once it's done, reopen Microsoft Word. The message should disappear if your Office is genuine and activated correctly. If you still see the issue, you may need to reactivate Office using your product key or sign in with your Microsoft account. And that's it. Your Microsoft Office should now work without that message appearing again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials.